Okay, so now in this paper, let us see question number 4. This fourth A is from probability. A bag contains 18 balls, out of which are X balls are red. Okay, red color balls are not given. First one, if one ball is drawn at random from the bag, so what is the probability that it is not a red ball? And second is, if two more red balls are put in the bag, the probability of drawing a red ball that will be 9 by 8 times the probability of drawing a red ball in first case. So find the value of x. Let us take the value of x, the number of red balls, then we can solve this. We take the given data first. So in this first one, so total number of balls are given, that is 18, right? So okay, total number of balls are given, so that is equals to 18, and let number of red balls is x. Let number of red color balls be x. If you take x, then the remaining non-red color balls is 18 minus x, because total is 18. Then number of that non-red balls is equals to 18 minus x. Okay, this is non-red because total is 18. Now let's take the first question. If one ball is drawn at random from the bag, what is the probability that it is not red? So not red is 18 minus x. Then the P is the event, that is ball drawn is not red. Is not red. So not red balls is 18 minus x and total is 18. Okay, number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. That is the formula, 18 minus x by 18. This is first one. Now second question, first answer is itself because you don't have any x value. Second is, if two more red balls are put in the bag, previous it is red color balls is x. Okay, two more red balls are put in the bag, then previous if it is x means two more are kept, that means x plus 2. Okay, let us see the condition. Now two more red color balls are put, so they kept in this x, that means x plus 2. Then according to the condition, if you observe, see condition here, two more red balls are kept in the bag, the probability that red ball will be 9 by 8 times. Then red ball probability, then according to question we can see this statement, previous is x color, x is the number of red balls, plus two more they kept, now x plus 2, then total number of balls is 20 because previous is 18, two more kept means total number is 20. Now this is equals to, this probability is equals to 9 by 8 times. If you observe, 9 by 8 times the probability drawing a red ball in first case. Okay, that means 9 by 8 into 9 by 8 times, so 9 by 8 into previous is x by 18 because previous is x is a red color balls by 18. Okay, red probability is x by 18. Yes, this we can solve, we'll get the value of x. That's simple. This is a as per question. So as per question, this is the condition. Now this one you can solve to get the value of x. You can cancel 9 ones are 9 2s are 18, then x plus 2 by 20 is equals to x by 8 2s are 16, and simplify, you cancel 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are, do cross multiplication, 4x plus 8 is equals to 5x, then x is equals to 8. Okay, 5x minus 4x is x, that is x is equals to 8. So value of x is 8. Let's do this. And second one is the shares in dividend. If you observe this, we can do in the two cases, that is two names, Arun and Geeta. Arun and Geeta invests 15,000 each in buying shares of two companies. Okay, Arun buys 16% rupees 100 shares at 80, while Geeta buys rupees 20 shares at 25. So dividend is not given. Second case. If both receive equal dividends at the end of the year, find the rate percent of the dividend by Geeta. Okay, dividend of Geeta only need to find out. Let's take the statements. So in this Arun's share and Geeta share, if you do separately, you understand clearly. So Arun's share and Geeta's share will take separately. Then is both cases, we'll take a line. Annual dividend is equivalent finally. Then if you observe the given values, here total investment, both are equally invested equally. So total investment, that is equals to rupees 15,000, right? As per the question, invest 15,000 each, so both separately. Then same in total investment in this case also. Total investment is the same rupees 15,000. Okay. Then nominal value in this case rupees 100 and market value is rupees 80. So as per the question. And here nominal value in this Geeta share is rupees 20 and market value is rupees 25. You can see here 100 rupees shares at 80 and 20 rupees shares at 25. And Arun buys 16% dividend. Then dividend is equals to, dividend is 16%. So here we don't know dividend. So let dividend of Geeta. So dividend is equals to, let it be X percentage. So finally we need to find out the value of X only, right? Then by using this given data we can find out income from one share. Okay, that is income from one share, because that is 16% of the nominal value. That is 16% of nominal value is 100. 16% of 100 is 16 by 100 into 100, that is 16. Okay, then annual income we can find out. Therefore, annual income is equals to 16. So here total investment is 15,000, market value is 80. That means 15,000 by 80 is number of shares into each share in profit is 16. So 15,000 by 80 into 16. If we get cancellation, this 0 0, 8 1s are 8 2s are. So 1500 into 2 is rupees 3,000, right? So this is the annual income from Arun's share. Now when you observe this, investment is 15,000, market value is 25 and dividend is X%. So income from one share. So income from one share is X%. So X by 100 into that nominal value is 20. So if you cancel 21 is 25. So X by 5 is the income from one share. Then we can find out annual income in this case. Annual income is equals to that one share profit into number of shares. Number of shares will get, here is 15,000 by market value is 25. So you can take this 15,000 by 25. 15,000 is total investment by 25 is market value. This number of shares into X by 5. That's it. So we can simplify this 25 ones are 25 600. So 600 into X by 5. So 120X. Okay, 5 ones are 5 120. So 120X is the annual income of this Geeta share. Now as per the question, these both are equal. Okay, let be equation 1 and this is 2. As per question, 1 is equals to 2 because annual income is same for both cases. Then we can take that 120X is equals to 3,000. So using this you can find out the value of x. X is equals to 3000 by 120. So 0 0 cancel. 300 by 12. So 12 to 24 and 65. So 25%. Therefore, Geeta's shares dividend is 25%. Right. So we can solve this. Next. See the question number 4C. So use the graph paper for this question. Take 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. Along the both end x and y axis, plot the points first. Then image of a dash of a under reflection in the line y is equal to 0. Image b dash of b under reflection in the line a dash. So let's draw this. 2 comma 5 and 0 comma minus 3. So we need to plot these points. Let's take this for C. Take the graph. So x and y axis. So this is the x axis and y axis in the middle. We plot these points which is given. So as per the question, so okay, this is the starting 0. Right side is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So it is x axis. And above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, minus 4. And if you take down, which is minus 5. Okay, let's continue this. And left side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on. This is the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now, according to the question, plot a 2 comma 5, b 0 comma minus 3. So when you plot these points, a is 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5 is 0. That is a 2 comma 5 and b is 0 comma minus 3. So x value is 0. So point on y-axis at minus 3. So this is the b 0 comma minus 3. Okay. So it is the point b and this is a. Now first one is reflection on y is equal to 0. So you are given a dash is a under reflection in the line y is equal to 0. So y is equals to 0 means that is the x-axis. So x-axis equation is y is equal to 0. That means reflection, that is x-axis. So it's x-axis. If x-axis reflection is a dash, that's 2 comma minus 5. Okay, that is a dash 2 comma minus 5 because reflection on x-axis, because y is equal to 0 is reflection on x-axis. And 0 comma minus 3, x is equals to 2. Next is image of b dash, b under reflection in the line a dash. If you observe a dash is x is y, here x value is 2, so x is equals to 2. That means reflection of this is b dash is 4 comma 2 steps this side. So b dash is x value is 4 comma minus 3. Because a dash is, this is the parallel to y-axis, this reflection. B dash is a reflection of b, this center point, and exactly 2 points more. And just join this plot a dash and b dash and write the name of the figure, and write also equation of the two diagonals. And then let's just join this. This b dash is one diagonal and a dash. Take this a2 and extend this a dash, and if you join these all 4 points, so here is a to a dash and a to b dash. So this is the diagram is kite. Okay, AB A dash B dash is the kite shape, and equation of A dash easily you can say. So whenever a line is parallel to x-axis, for example B dash is parallel to x-axis, that means y is equals to minus 3 because minus 3 here. Equation of x-axis y is equal to 0, equation of y-axis x is equal to 0. But equation of x-axis which is parallel to the x-axis and distance from minus 3 means y is equal to minus 3. And when you take this diagonal, here x is equals to 2. Okay, this is all we can write. Now from this all, the first one is a 2 comma 5. Okay, that is reflection on y is equal to 0. That is x-axis. Okay, x-axis means a dash 2 comma minus 5. So y is equal to 0 means x-axis. Then therefore equation of a dash. So equation of a dash is x is equals to 2 because which is parallel to y-axis. And the second one is b 0 comma minus 3, that is reflection on x is equals to 2. Then b dash is equals to 4 comma minus 3. Okay, two steps, 2 plus 2, so 4 steps you should take. So 4 comma minus 3, x value come to the 4 positions. That means this is the point. It is 2 units, 2 units, total 4 units. Then according to the question they asked, so that is means a b a dash b dash, so is a kite. Okay, kite shape. And equations we can write. So equation of diagonals. So two diagonals equation we need to write. So diagonals, one is a dash a, so that is already x is equals to 2, and b dash b or b dash is y is equals to minus 3 because that is parallel to x-axis. That's it. So formulas and properties you must know. Whenever line is parallel to x-axis, that's y is equal to 0. And equation, so y is equal to k means which is parallel to x-axis at distance of k units. Okay, there are two properties. X is equals to k and y is equals to k. X is equals to k means which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of k units. Similarly, y is equal to k means which is parallel to x-axis at distance of k units. Right? These properties only applied in this. This is the fourth C. We can solve in this way like this. And now let us see question number in section B. Let's start the question number 5 and let's see these problems.